Guys, so I'm getting my hair done today. I decided that I wanted to record it. Every time I get braids, I actually don't record it ever, but this time I was like, look, we gotta get this video together. So it is 8 a.m. that's why I sound so raspy, because I just woke up. So it's 8 a.m. and we're just getting started. So I'm gonna plug the stylist details down below so that you guys can see her page and her work. I actually have done Fulani braids before, and so many people had asked me like, oh, why did you do it, who did it for you, all these things. But I think that was back last year. Oh, hi. So it is, what time is it? After watching like 3 Nigerian movies.
No, it's too old. The other one was 2 hours long.
2 hours. Netflix Nigerian movies, man. So it is 2:08 and we are starting the front. My center part is looking very great and I'm loving this hair color. So we're doing good on time. So we're almost done. It's 5:09. We are done with one section. There's several layers. So there's this one, there's one layer here, then there's another layer, and then there's the ending bottom layer that you saw us do. So, but when it comes together, it just looks like it's one layer, which I really like. She does them really well. Obviously, that's why I keep coming back. But and she's the only one doing it since 8 a.m. So you can tell that she's pretty fast too. They're kind of past my waist a little bit.
Broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.